Have you caught wind of the recent Supreme Court decision allowing the Trump administration to temporarily cut teacher training funding? This decision came down to a 5-4 split, with Chief Justice Roberts surprising many by siding with the liberal justices in dissent. The Trump administration argued these cuts were necessary, framing them as part of its efforts against diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. The Justice Department further contended that lower courts were standing in the way of Trump's agenda. This decision impacts over 100 programs, totaling over $600 million, aimed at enhancing teacher preparation in critical subject areas. But how did we arrive at this controversial decision? Let's delve into the timeline of events leading up to it. It all began when the administration's move to cut teacher training funding was initially blocked by a federal judge in Boston. This action sparked a lawsuit led by California and joined by several states challenging the administration's cuts. These cuts, which affect over 100 programs, were part of the administration's anti-diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts. As the legal battle intensified, the Supreme Court stepped in with an emergency intervention. This intervention allowed states to temporarily fund the programs. The dissenting justices have criticized this emergency intervention, questioning the legality of the administration's actions. So, what does this mean for educational institutions and programs nationwide? Well, the impact could be vast. The cuts affect over 100 programs, representing a total of over $600 million. These programs aim to enhance teacher preparation in critical areas, recruiting and training educators for underserved schools. It's not just about numbers, though. It's about the future of education, the quality of teaching, and the opportunities that may be lost. The states that have sued to stop the cuts argue that they would have a negative impact on school districts, particularly those in poor and rural areas. They believe that these cuts could undermine diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives and fundamentally change the face of teaching in America. As the legal battles continue, the future of these teacher training programs remains uncertain. Join our community of informed citizens. Subscribe to your daily dose of news and be part of the conversation.